The following tutorial describes how DS Core works together with Exocad DentalDB to simplify case handling and improve workflow efficiency for dental laboratories. Let's begin. When a case is submitted through DS Core, all relevant information such as intraoral scans, complete scan catalogs, and preparation margins, along with the order details, is transferred directly to DentalDB. As the case progresses in the lab, status updates are communicated back to DS Core. This bidirectional data flow keeps order details and status updates aligned between both platforms, helping your lab manage cases efficiently and maintain predictable turnaround times. Now that you understand how the data exchange works, let's look at the account requirements for using this integration. To use this integration, you need to log in with a lab account. Dental practice accounts are currently not supported. Before you begin, make sure your lab account is active and ready for use. Once your account is set, the next step is to configure the integration in DentalDB. When you open DentalDB, you will be prompted to connect to DS Core. After successful login, the DS Core icon appears in your system tray with a green status indicator. From this menu, you can view recent orders, open cases on DS Core, check the connector version, and manage download retry settings. Next, let's configure how DS Core imports data into DentalDB. In DentalDB, go to Settings and select Import Configuration. Scroll down to the DS Core section and choose your preferred import mode. Here, you can review material mapping and abutment options to ensure correct case processing. If a material cannot be mapped automatically, you will receive a notification and can select the appropriate material manually. Now that your configuration is complete, let's see how incoming orders are handled. Once the integration is active, incoming orders from DS Core are downloaded into DentalDB. You will receive notifications for new cases. If it's the first order from a new client, you will need to complete their client data. For materials that cannot be mapped automatically, you will be prompted to select an alternative material before proceeding. But what happens if an order is cancelled by the doctor? Let's take a look. If a doctor cancels an order after it has been downloaded, you will receive a notification. The cancellation status will also appear in your DentalDB project overview, so you can keep track of changes easily. If there is an issue with the connection, the DS Core icon will display a red status indicator. For DS Core-related questions, contact DentSplice Arona support. For Exocad configuration or material mapping issues, reach out to your Exocad reseller. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.